Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn another Spanish word. Today's word is going to be easy. We're gonna learn about a verb, and this one is very easy. I gotta say, this is an important one to learn and also very easy. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And also, if you have a moment, please check out the memberships that I have on this channel. That supports this channel a lot. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the Spanish word of the day is evitar. Evitar. Do you know the meaning of this word? This word is a regular Spanish verb, so it's very easy to conjugate. Maybe you're wondering, what's a regular Spanish verb? A regular Spanish verb is a verb that doesn't have any complications. Regular verbs refer to verbs that are easy to conjugate, that you have to follow certain pattern when conjugating this verb. I actually have videos about this. If you want to watch that, just click here or here, somewhere up there. And also I'm gonna leave a link to that in the video description down below. Okay, so do you know the meaning of evitar? Evitar means to avoid something that you don't want to do, something that you want to avoid. Okay, so that's very easy. That's the main meaning of evitar. Also, let's remember that the pronunciation of the Spanish letter V or V, some people say V, some people call it B chica, some people call it just B, and the sound is B, just like the English letter B. Okay, evitar. That's why the pronunciation is like this. Evitar, evitar. If you say evitar, it's gonna sound a little weird, but yeah, most people say evitar, evitar. Okay? Okay, so the first example is lávate las manos para evitar varias enfermedades. Lávate las manos, wash your hands to avoid, para evitar, many sicknesses, varias enfermedades. So, evitar, to avoid. So, you want to avoid sicknesses, right? So, this is a very, very common phrase nowadays. Lávate las manos. Wash your hands. Lávate las manos. Wash your hands. Okay? Para evitar, to avoid, varias enfermedades, many sicknesses. Okay? So that's really good to do. That's something that people should do more often. Lávate las manos. Okay? Now, the next example is Miguel evita tomar de más. Miguel evita tomar de más. This means Miguel avoids drinking too much. Okay? Evita, avoids. Miguel evita. Miguel avoids. He doesn't want to drink too much. So that's very good. Hago ejercicio para evitar el subir de peso. Hago ejercicio para evitar el subir de peso. This means I exercise to avoid gaining weight. Okay? Evitar, avoid. So exercise helps people not gain weight. Okay? Evitar, to avoid. Maybe some of you are wondering, why am I saying el subir de peso? Why am I using el in this situation? And that is something that people say in Spanish, evitar el subir de peso. If I don't use el, is also correct. So I could say, hago ejercicio para evitar subir de peso. Okay? But a lot of people add el a lot in situations like this one. Okay? So either way, with or without el is fine. Okay? Now let's see more examples using evitar. I just need to get rid of this. Okay. No puedo evitar el comer comida chatarra. No puedo evitar el comer comida chatarra. This means I can't avoid eating junk food. And I gotta say, this applies to me because I love junk food. I shouldn't eat junk food, but I do sometimes. So yeah, evitar, avoid. I can't avoid. No puedo evitar. I can't avoid. Okay? Once again, I'm using el here. You can say as well, no puedo evitar comer comida chatarra, and that's fine. El comer comida chatarra is like emphasizing the action, you know? El comer, el cantar, el cocinar. No puedo evitar el correr rápido, no puedo evitar el comer rápido, and so on. So, el works just like to emphasize. It helps emphasize the action, okay? But once again, you can avoid it. You know, you can not use it, and that's fine as well. Okay, now the next one is Patricia evitó un accidente. Patricia evitó un accidente. This means Patricia avoided an accident. So, Patricia evitó. This is past tense or preterite tense. Evitó. So, she avoided an accident by doing something. Who knows what, but she avoided an accident. So, that's good news. And lastly, ¿por qué me evitas? ¿Por qué me evitas? This means, why are you avoiding me? You know, why are you hiding from me? In this situation, someone doesn't want to see this person, and this person is asking, ¿por qué me evitas? What did I do to you, right? ¿Por qué me evitas? Why are you avoiding me? Evitas, avoiding, okay? And this conjugation, it is in present tense as well. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions about this verb, please let me know. And it's not that complicated. You only have to practice the conjugation of the verb. As I said before, it is a regular verb, so it's easier to conjugate. It doesn't have any irregular conjugation. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons, and please take a look at the memberships on this channel. That helps this channel a lot and also supports the future creation of more videos on this channel. You can also donate directly to this channel. You only have to go to smlessons.com and click on donate, or on that big PayPal button on the homepage. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.